How to leverage Instagram's creator marketplace for brand collaborations. To leverage Instagram's creator marketplace, brands should access it via Meta Business Suite to filter, evaluate, and contact creators directly. Now, if you do not have the Meta Business Suite app, make sure to install it and have it. It is available on your Play Store and App Store as well. You can use advanced filters such as audience demographics, niche, and location to find creators whose followers align with your target market. Look beyond follower counts, analyze engagement rates, content style, and audience authenticity to ensure a natural fit for your brand. Use the built-in messaging system to send collaboration offers. Be transparent about project expectations, deliverables, and fees. Once a partnership is established, utilize partnership ads to boost content, allowing you to leverage the creator's handle for wider reach. Measure success using Meta's native advertising measurement solutions such as brand lift studies. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.